Hey everyone, welcome back. In part 1, we knew how to import 3D character to Unreal Engine. In this part 2 tutorial, I'll show you how to create an animation blueprint for your character in Unreal Engine. This will allow your character to transition smoothly between animations like idle, walking, running, and jumping. Let's get started. First, let's create an animation blueprint. Go to the content browser, right-click, choose animation, and then select animation blueprint. Choose the skeleton of your character and click create. This will serve as the brain of your character's animations. Now, let's set up the animation graph. Open your animation blueprint and go to the Anime Graph tab. Drag your idle run blend space into the graph and connect it to the final animation pose. This will allow your character to smoothly transition between idle and movement animations. If you don't have a blend space, create one by right-clicking in the content browser, selecting Animation, Blend Space 1D, and assigning it to your skeleton. Open Blend Space, drag idle, walk, and running animation sequence to the graph. Drag blend space to animation blueprint. Connect output to pose result. Now, if we change the X value, the animation of character will update it. To make our animations more dynamic, we need a state machine. Click Add New State Machine, connect it to the final animation pose, and double-click to open it. Here, we'll define the different animation states, such as idle, walk, run, and jump. To add state, right-click, and choose Add State. To connect to other state, drag the boundary and point to the target state. Double-click to the condition and write the condition logic here. Create new float variable call speed. Then drag it to the graph. Search for greater operator. Then drag the output to the result. And that's how we make the state machine. You can add more details of the condition and graph. However, in this tutorial, we will use the blend space instead. Connect speed parameter to the X input of blend space. Now, the speed variable need to be updated from Event Graph, so click on Event Graph tab, and add logic here. Get character movement from third-person character. Then get velocity, get the vector length and assign to speed variable. Perfect, now let's test. Cool, the character walking when we move. Cool, the character walking when we move, and if it's not moving, the idle animation working. However, we have small issue with the walk or running animation, the rotation is not correctly. No worry, we will fix it right now. First open the walk animation, on the top right panel, select edit button. On the left side panel, select skeleton, and click edit skeleton button. Select the root bone. Now, correct the rotation angle. The character moved perfectly now, we've fixed the problem. Look like the character is above the ground, let's move it down a bit in the character blueprint. And that's it. You've successfully created an animation blueprint for your character in Unreal Engine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon for exclusive content. See you in the next video.